It took 6 years to develop, build it, and launch it, and then another 7 months to land on Mars.
It may be also turning or maneuvering itself. It poses a very difficult challenge.
Why the demon star gets dimmer and appears to blink to us here on Earth.
The cosmos is an uncharted ocean of mystery, brimming with secrets that could make even the most imaginative minds do a double take. While we navigate our daily routines, NASA is out there, peering into the abyss and revealing cosmic wonders that are as breathtaking as they are bizarre. Every discovery reshapes our understanding and occasionally leaves us slack-jawed. So, get ready to embark on a journey through 10 of NASA's most astonishing revelations. Number 10. The Beast of Kandahar. In the vast expanse of the Afghan desert, tales began to spread about a mystery aircraft known by its intriguing nickname, the Beast of Kandahar. Far from myths and stories, this enigmatic creature of the skies was the RQ-170 Sentinel, a cutting-edge reconnaissance drone built under the cloak and dagger world of the United States military's clandestine projects. The Sentinel, with its sophisticated design and advanced electronics, was the peak of aerospace engineering and strategic innovation. The RQ-170 Sentinel is not your ordinary drone. Its sleek, batwing-like form reduces its radar cross-section, making detection extremely challenging. This superior stealth capability enabled the Sentinel to operate deep inside hostile territory without drawing attention. The RQ-170 precision engineering meets the highest standards of aerospace technology, allowing it to perform critical reconnaissance missions with unparalleled effectiveness. One of the Sentinel's most significant and well-known roles occurred at a watershed moment in modern counterterrorism history, the hunt for Osama, the terrorist. While Navy SEALs conducted a daring raid on the terrorist compound in Abbottabad, Pakistan, the RQ-170 provided critical real-time surveillance data. Floating silently thousands of feet above, the Sentinel served as a vigilant guardian, providing vital intelligence to ground operatives. This real-time data was critical to the mission's success, demonstrating the drone's importance in modern warfare and intelligence operations. The RQ-170 capabilities go beyond just reconnaissance. Its ability to collect high-resolution imagery and electronic intelligence while remaining undetected highlights its importance as a valuable asset in the intelligence community's arsenal. The drone's design and operational effectiveness make it a powerful tool for monitoring and gathering data on some of the world's most elusive and dangerous threats. Despite its impressive technological capabilities, the RQ-170 Sentinel remains shrouded in secrecy. Details about its exact capabilities and missions are closely guarded, adding to its allure and the mystery surrounding its nickname, the Beast of Kandahar. This secrecy only adds to the drone's legendary status, highlighting the high stakes and strategic importance of its missions. The legacy of the RQ-170 Sentinel goes beyond its operational success. It exemplifies human ingenuity and the never-ending pursuit of excellence in aerospace technology. The drone's design and operational effectiveness represent the cutting edge of military technology, demonstrating advancements in the field of unmanned aerial vehicles. The RQ-170 Sentinel is a symbol of modern technological prowess, representing the fusion of stealth, speed, and surveillance capabilities. Its role in critical missions has solidified its place in the annals of military history, demonstrating how advanced technology can shape the course of significant events. The nickname Beast of Kandahar may evoke images of a mythical creature, but the RQ-170 Sentinel is very much a real and formidable force in the realm of military technology. Its silent, watchful presence serves as a powerful reminder of the advancements in unmanned systems and their impact on modern warfare. While it may not roar like a beast of legend, its influence is felt in the high-stakes world of reconnaissance and intelligence. Number 9. Life on Mars.
They're much finer, and they should be ideal for chem analysis.
Oh wow, did everybody hear that?
Mars, the enigmatic red planet, has long captivated the imagination of scientists and dreamers alike. Its rusty hue, a product of iron oxide on its surface, sets it apart from the other celestial bodies in our neighborhood. This fascination has fueled numerous missions to explore Mars, with one of the most tantalizing questions being, is there life in this distant world? A recent breakthrough in our Martian inquiry came courtesy of NASA's sophisticated instruments, which detected a significant plume of methane in the Martian atmosphere. This finding is nothing short of revolutionary, as methane plays a pivotal role in the ongoing search for extraterrestrial life. On Earth, methane is predominantly produced by living organisms, with over 90% of it being biogenic in origin. Therefore, the presence of methane on Mars could hint at a potential biological source, igniting hopes that life might exist, or might have existed, on the red planet. However, it's crucial to note that methane can also be generated through geological processes. In the Martian context, certain chemical reactions involving water and rock interactions can produce methane independently of biological activity.
They say that once you grow crops somewhere, you've officially colonized it.
This dual potential for methane generation adds layers of complexity to interpreting the data. To untangle this enigma, NASA's Curiosity rover has been on the front lines of Martian exploration. Stationed in the vast Gale crater, Curiosity is not just another robotic explorer. It's a cutting-edge laboratory on wheels equipped with an array of advanced instruments designed to analyze the Martian atmosphere with precision. Curiosity's mission has provided pivotal insights into the Martian methane cycle. Equipped with a suite of instruments, including the sample analysis at Mars Suite and the tunable laser spectrometer, the rover was able to periodically sample and analyze Martian air. The results have been fascinating and perplexing. Methane levels have been observed to fluctuate, with concentrations varying significantly over time and location. These fluctuations suggest a dynamic system at play, which could be indicative of an active process, whether biological or geological. The implications of these findings are profound. On Earth,
take the Perseverance rover, for example, our most recent robotic representative to arrive on the red planet.
Methane's relatively short atmospheric lifespan, lasting about a decade before it breaks down in the presence of sunlight, implies that something must be continuously replenishing it. If the same is true on Mars, it would suggest a persistent source of methane, which might be biological. This could mean that microorganisms beneath the Martian surface are generating the methane, or it could point to another, yet-to-be-discovered process at work. This tantalizing evidence does not, however, equate to concrete proof of life. The scientific community remains divided on the interpretation of the methane data. Some researchers propose that the fluctuations could be due to seasonal changes or other environmental factors, while others argue that these variations might be linked to subsurface microbial life. The debate continues, with each new piece of data complicating our understanding of Mars's methane mystery. Number 8. Demon Star. In a cosmic revelation that's nothing short of exhilarating, astronomers have unveiled the fastest runaway stars ever observed speeding through our galaxy. This astonishing discovery, which was made public in July, came from a meticulous analysis of stellar motion data collected by the European Space Agency's Gaia satellite, which has been diligently mapping the positions and velocities of countless stars. Among the recent findings are 6 new hypervelocity stars, but 2 of them stand out for their incredible speeds. These stellar wanderers are breaking records with velocities that boggle the mind. The speed demon of the pair is hurtling through space at an astonishing 3,000 kilometers per second. To put this in perspective, this blazing speed means it could complete a lap around the Earth 700 times in just 1 hour. While it may not rival Christopher Reeve's Superman, it certainly holds its own in the race of the stars. Meanwhile, its counterpart is no slouch either, traveling at a remarkable 1,500 kilometers per second. Both stars are on trajectories that will soon propel them out of our Milky Way and into the void of intergalactic space. These extraordinary stars are what's known as white dwarfs, remnants of sun-like stars that have reached the end of their life cycles. After exhausting their nuclear fuel, these stars shed their outer layers and leave behind dense, hot cores.
Why the Demon Star gets dimmer and appears to blink to us here on Earth.
Once they reach this stage, white dwarfs can no longer sustain fusion reactions, leaving them to slowly cool and fade away. The origins of these hypervelocity stars are as fascinating as their speeds. Astronomers believe that both white dwarfs were once part of binary star systems, systems where two stars orbit a common center of mass. In these systems, the white dwarf had a companion star. When this companion star underwent a supernova explosion, it resulted in a dramatic and violent ejection of material. This supernova explosion imparted a tremendous amount of momentum to the white dwarf, effectively launching it out of the system at speeds far surpassing those of typical stars. Kareem El-Badri of the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics, who played a key role in the discovery, shared his excitement with Space.com. These stars are extraordinary because they are traveling much faster than normal stars in the Milky Way. Because they're faster than the galactic escape velocity, they'll soon be launched into intergalactic space. This means that these are not just fast, they are speeding toward a fate that will take them beyond the boundaries of our galaxy. The discovery of these hypervelocity stars provides valuable insights into the dynamics of stellar evolution and the mechanics of binary star systems. The fact that such objects can achieve these mind-blowing speeds challenges our understanding of stellar physics and the life cycles of stars. It also highlights the incredible forces at play during supernova explosions and the complex interactions within binary systems. Number 7. The WOW signal. In the grand expanse of space exploration, detecting radio signals from distant galaxies is a common endeavor. However, occasionally, something extraordinary emerges from the routine, challenging our comprehension and sparking fervent speculation. Such was the case with the WOW signal, a fleeting yet profound anomaly that has intrigued astronomers and enthusiasts alike since it was first detected. On a seemingly ordinary evening in August 1977, while sifting through the cosmic background noise at Ohio State University's Big Ear Radio Telescope, astronomer Jerry R. Ehman encountered a signal unlike any he or anyone else had ever witnessed. This signal, captured for just 72 seconds, was a brief but intense burst of radio waves that defied the typical patterns of space noise. Despite its short duration, this signal was powerful and distinctive enough to demand immediate attention. What set the WOW signal apart was its extraordinary clarity and intensity. The data was so strikingly different from the usual background chatter of space that Ehman was compelled to mark the printout with a single word in red ink: "Wow." This spontaneous exclamation not only captured his astonishment, but also became the name by which this signal is now known. The simplicity of the name belied the complexity and depth of the mystery it represented. The origins of the WOW signal remain one of the most tantalizing enigmas in space science. Various hypotheses have been proposed, ranging from the mundane to the extraordinary. Some experts speculated that the signal could have been the result of terrestrial interference or a temporary glitch in the telescope's equipment. These possibilities, while plausible, fail to fully account for the signal's remarkable characteristics. On the other hand, a more captivating theory posits that the WOW signal might have been a deliberate attempt at communication from an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. The signal's frequency was intriguingly close to the emission line of hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe. This frequency is often considered a logical choice for interstellar communication, as it represents a universal constant in the cosmos. The possibility that the WOW signal could have been a cosmic greeting card from an alien neighbor is both exhilarating and humbling. Yet, despite numerous attempts to detect a similar signal or to trace its origin, the WOW signal has remained a solitary and unexplained event. The absence of repetition or further confirmation has left scientists and researchers in a state of suspense. Was the signal a brief, isolated message from an alien civilization, or was it merely an anomaly in our understanding of radio transmissions? The answer remains elusive. Number 6. Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird. The Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird is a name synonymous with extraordinary engineering and breathtaking performance. Developed at the height of the Cold War, this aircraft represents a monumental leap in aerial technology, embodying human ambition and the relentless pursuit of supremacy in the skies. During an era when most aircraft struggled to achieve speeds beyond Mach 2, the SR-71 soared effortlessly at Mach 3.2, more than 3 times the speed of sound. To put this into perspective, imagine crossing the Atlantic Ocean from New York to London in under 2 hours, a feat that underscores the SR-71's unparalleled speed and efficiency. However, speed was merely one of the Blackbird's remarkable attributes. Designed for high-altitude reconnaissance, the SR-71 featured cutting-edge stealth technology. Its sleek, aerodynamic design, coupled with radar-absorbing materials, allowed it to penetrate enemy airspace with remarkable stealth. This technological marvel rendered the Blackbird virtually invisible to radar, ensuring that no SR-71 was ever downed by enemy fire during its operational tenure, a testament to its exceptional design and operational superiority. Beyond its tactical advantages, the SR-71 Blackbird symbolizes the zenith of human engineering and innovation. It operated at altitudes exceeding 85,000 feet.
That may be also turning or maneuvering itself. It poses a very difficult challenge.
Where the air is extremely thin and the curvature of the Earth becomes visible. Piloting the Blackbird was not merely about flying, it was about mastering a machine that danced on the edge of space. The challenges of controlling such a high-performance aircraft added to its mystique and allure. The SR-71's engines, capable of producing thrust in the upper atmosphere, roared with a power that matched its ambition. Every flight of the Blackbird was a testament to the limits of technological advancement and human ingenuity. It pushed the boundaries of what was possible in aviation, reshaping our understanding of the potential of aerospace technology. Now, it's time for our subscribers' pick. One of NASA's most insane discoveries include those by NASA's Kepler and TESS missions that have discovered thousands of exoplanets, some of which reside in the habitable zone of their stars, also known as the Goldilocks zone. This is the region around a star where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface, a key ingredient for life as we know it. The discovery of Earth-like exoplanets, particularly those in the habitable zone, has expanded our understanding of the universe and the potential for finding extraterrestrial life. Do you think one day we might find extraterrestrial life on one of the planets? Or perhaps humanity might start to populate them? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Number 5. The Oort Cloud. While dark matter and dark energy represent the unseen forces shaping the universe on a grand scale, the Oort Cloud offers a more tangible, although still elusive, mystery within our own solar system. Imagine a vast, spherical shell of icy objects that encircle our solar system, extending far beyond the realms of Neptune and Pluto. This hypothetical region is known as the Oort Cloud. The Oort Cloud is thought to be a distant reservoir of comets, icy remnants from the early solar system. This region is believed to exist between approximately 1,000 to 100,000 astronomical units from the Sun, with 1 astronomical unit being the average distance from the Earth to the Sun. Despite being a theoretical construct, evidence for the Oort Cloud's existence is compelling, based on the behavior of long-period comets that have elongated, eccentric orbits. The Oort Cloud is believed to serve as a cosmic nursery for these comets. Many of the long-period comets that we observe in our solar system are thought to originate from this distant cloud. The icy bodies within the Oort Cloud are remnants from the early solar system, potentially providing valuable insights into the conditions and processes that prevailed during the formation of our solar system. Understanding the Oort Cloud is crucial for several reasons. First, it holds clues to the early history of our solar system, offering a glimpse into the primordial materials that contributed to the formation of planets. The objects within the Oort Cloud are essentially time capsules, preserving information from a time when the solar system was still forming. Analyzing these ancient ice bodies could reveal details about the early solar system's composition and the processes that shaped its development. The Oort Cloud also plays a significant role in our broader understanding of celestial dynamics. Studying the cloud's structure and the comets it contains can enhance our knowledge of how gravitational influences, both from within and beyond the solar system, affect the behavior of these icy objects. This, in turn, contributes to our understanding of the solar system's formation and evolution. Number 4, Methane Mysteries.
Alert the media?
Sorry, what are you doing today, Martinez? Making sure the MAV is still upright?
The uncharted landscapes of Mars have long captivated scientists and space enthusiasts alike, with the Curiosity rover playing a crucial role in pushing the boundaries of our understanding of the red planet. Among its numerous discoveries, one finding stands out as particularly intriguing: an unusual formation that defied the common Martian mold. This enigmatic object was neither a typical rock nor a dusty patch of the Martian surface. Instead, it resembled a rock formation with plant-like characteristics, sparking widespread speculation and wonder. The formation in question triggered a wave of excitement and debate within the scientific community. Was this peculiar object evidence of life on Mars? Or was it simply another example of the planet's geological eccentricities? The discovery prompted a flurry of theories, oscillating between the possibility of an ancient relic of Martian life and the notion that it was merely an interesting natural structure shaped by Mars's tumultuous geological history.
I almost just said everything will be fine out loud.
The allure of such a discovery is undeniable. The idea that Mars might harbor evidence of past life, even in the form of something as simple as microbial organisms or plant-like formations, fuels our curiosity and drives further exploration. However, it is essential to approach such findings with caution and rigorous scientific scrutiny. The Martian environment is characterized by unique and extreme conditions that can produce fascinating geological formations, making it crucial to distinguish between biological and non-biological structures. Even if this particular formation does not turn out to be evidence of life, it still holds significant value. It provides valuable insights into Mars's geological history and the processes that have shaped its surface over billions of years. Each discovery, regardless of its implications for the existence of life, contributes to our broader understanding of the red planet and its potential for habitability. The quest for life beyond Earth remains a driving force behind space exploration. Discoveries like this one, whether they confirm the presence of life or reveal new aspects of Martian geology, advance our knowledge and bring us closer to answering fundamental questions about our place in the universe. As Curiosity continues its journey across Mars, it serves as a reminder of the importance of perseverance, curiosity, and the boundless possibilities of discovery. While the mystery of the rock or plant-like formation remains unsolved, it stands as a testament to the incredible and sometimes perplexing wonders that await us in the cosmos. Number 3, dark matter. Dark matter, despite constituting approximately 25% of the universe's total mass and energy, remains one of the most elusive phenomena in science. Unlike ordinary matter, which emits or absorbs light and can thus be observed with telescopes, dark matter does not interact with electromagnetic forces. This means that it neither emits light nor absorbs it, making it invisible to all known detection methods. Instead, dark matter's presence is inferred solely through its gravitational effects on visible matter. The concept of dark matter emerged from observations that galaxies rotate at speeds too high to be explained by visible matter alone. If only the stars and gas that we can see were taken into account, galaxies would fly apart. Dark matter acts as an unseen scaffolding that provides the necessary gravitational pull to keep these celestial structures intact. Its gravitational influence extends beyond individual galaxies to the very large-scale structure of the universe, helping to shape the cosmic web of galactic clusters and superclusters. Despite its significant role in cosmic structure, dark matter remains enigmatic. It doesn't correspond to any known particles in the standard model of particle physics. Efforts to detect dark matter directly through experiments have yet to yield definitive results, leaving its exact nature an open question. Various theoretical candidates have been proposed, such as weakly interacting massive particles and axions, but none have been conclusively proven. Dark energy, even more elusive than dark matter, constitutes about 70% of the universe's energy density. It is the force responsible for the accelerating expansion of the universe, a discovery that fundamentally changed our understanding of cosmology. Instead of the expansion of the universe slowing down due to gravitational attraction, as once expected, observations show that the rate of expansion is increasing. The nature of dark energy is one of the most profound questions in modern physics. It was first detected in the late 1990s through observations of distant supernovae. These supernovae appeared dimmer than expected, suggesting that the universe's expansion was accelerating. This finding led to the conclusion that a mysterious form of energy was driving this acceleration. Einstein's theory of relativity provides a framework for understanding the large-scale structure of the universe. According to this theory, space and time are intertwined in a four-dimensional fabric known as space-time. Massive objects like stars and planets warp this fabric, creating what we perceive as gravity. Dark energy, however, represents a more perplexing challenge. Its effects suggest that the vacuum of space itself possesses a form of energy that counteracts the force of gravity on cosmological scales. Number 2. Mars Facehugger. The vast and desolate expanse of Mars has long captivated human imagination, its crimson terrain and mysterious landscapes serving as a canvas for scientific inquiry and speculative fiction alike. Among the numerous missions aimed at unraveling the secrets of the Red Planet, NASA's Curiosity rover stands as a symbol of our relentless quest for knowledge. Since its landing in 2012, this car-sized robotic explorer has meticulously analyzed Martian soil, air, and rock, with its primary mission being to assess whether Mars ever possessed the conditions to support microbial life. In the midst of Curiosity's rigorous scientific endeavors, an image sent back from the rover sparked a wave of excitement and speculation. The photograph in question seemed to capture an object that bore an uncanny resemblance to the Facehugger from the popular Alien movie franchise, a creature infamous for its role in the sci-fi horror series as a parasitic entity with a distinctly unsettling appearance. This striking resemblance quickly ignited a flurry of media coverage and online discussion, stirring both intrigue and apprehension among the public. Was this bizarre object evidence of extraterrestrial life? Could Mars, in addition to its potential history of microbial life, be home to more advanced, albeit alarming, alien creatures? The idea was both thrilling and terrifying, fueling imaginations and sparking a new wave of Martian speculation. As the image spread across media platforms, the question on everyone's mind was whether humanity had finally stumbled upon concrete proof of alien existence. However, as often happens in the realm of space exploration, the initial excitement was tempered by subsequent investigations. NASA scientists, equipped with more detailed analyses and data, quickly stepped in to address the growing frenzy. Upon closer inspection, it became evident that the object was not an extraterrestrial being, but rather a piece of debris, possibly from the rover itself, or a rock sculpted by the relentless Martian winds over millions of years. The so-called Facehugger was revealed to be a fascinating yet entirely natural formation, an example of pareidolia, where random shapes are interpreted as familiar objects by the human brain. The Martian environment, with its harsh winds and extensive erosion, can produce rock formations that, to the human eye, might resemble anything from faces to fantastical creatures. Number 1. Cosmic explosion. In an astronomical revelation that defies imagination, scientists have observed the most intense, long-lasting, and powerful explosion ever recorded. This unprecedented cosmic event is 10 times brighter than any known supernova and continues to erupt even now. The discovery was revealed in May in the monthly notices of the Royal Astronomical Society, marking a significant milestone in our understanding of the universe. The extraordinary event was first detected by 2 cutting-edge astronomical facilities, the Zwicky Transient Facility in California and the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System in Hawaii. These observatories are designed to monitor transient phenomena in the sky, ranging from moving asteroids to explosive cosmic events. The sheer scale of this explosion's brightness quickly drew attention from astronomers worldwide. Sebastian Hoenig of the University of Southampton in the UK one of the leading researchers on this discovery, explained the significance of the find. Once you know the distance to the object and how bright it appears to us, you can calculate the brightness of the object at its source, Honig said. Once we'd performed those calculations, we realized this is extremely bright. Indeed, this event exhibited a luminosity 2 trillion times greater than that of our sun, an almost incomprehensible level of brightness. Initially, astronomers might have suspected that such a dazzling display could be the result of a supernova, an explosion marking the death of a star. However, supernovae typically fade within weeks or months, and this event has persisted far beyond this timeline. This led researchers to propose a more intriguing explanation. The explosion might be caused by a supermassive black hole consuming a vast cloud of gas, potentially thousands of times more massive than the Sun. This process, known as a tidal disruption event, has never been observed on such a massive scale before. In a tidal disruption event, a black hole's immense gravitational forces tear apart a gas cloud that ventures too close. The resulting chaos sends shock waves through the fragmented cloud, releasing an enormous amount of energy. The prolonged and intense brightness of this explosion suggests that the black hole's gravitational grip is both ferocious and relentless, producing a spectacle of cosmic energy previously unseen by human eyes. Philip Wiseman from the University of Southampton, another key figure in the study, highlighted the potential implications of this discovery. With new facilities, like the Vera Rubin Observatory's Legacy Survey of Space and Time, coming online in the next few years, Wiseman said, it could be that these events, although extremely rare, are so energetic that they are key processes to how the centers of galaxies change over time. The implications of this discovery are profound. Understanding such intense cosmic phenomena could reveal much about the dynamic processes governing the centers of galaxies and the role of supermassive black holes in galactic evolution. While events like these are exceedingly rare, their magnitude and duration provide a unique opportunity to study the mechanisms at play in the most extreme environments of the universe. Thanks for watching. More exciting content on the way.